Hey guys, we're launching a hamster. Here we go. Wait, we're doing one thing. Wait a second, guys. Here,
Right. I don't know if they can see by that.
see you here, guys. Okay, David, come on. David. Ready, guys? And come on.
David, you gotta go, bud. Dad's waiting.
Okay.
Ryan, no, don't do that.
Okay.
He's launching Manny from the thing.
We'll catch him.
All right, hurry up.
Yay!
Ryan, if he drops him, he's gonna run away and hide. David, your dad is
Here, all we'll do, guys, is, sorry, guys, switch Laura. Here. And,
Here.
All right, dude. So glad you came over. Bye.
okay.
Wait, where does
See